Whoa. Any problem?
प्रॉब्लम नहीं चल रहा है, पिकअप नहीं पर.
Hello people, welcome back to the channel and thank you for tuning in. We are checking out from Pangong Lake. This was our camp as you've seen in the last video. The view of the lake, I think there's so much sunlight today. Cloud is clear. We have few friends from UP as well. They are traveling by car, so you all miss the breakfast. I'm going to tie the flag. Etish is already done yesterday evening, so I'll do it now. Etish, my cameraman, please.
With pleasure.
So we laga denge.
Mine is already fit and finished. It's good, looking good.
Oh, glitter all around. Getting this fixed in Pangong Lake. I wanted to do something in Changla, but it was too damn crowded. So we just had to move from there. We couldn't do much. So that we'll do it here. Yeah, that's gonna stay there. Without a view height. That's done. Let's head out. We're not going to lake. We changed our plans. We spoke to a cop at the police check post here in Spangmik, no?
Spangmik.
Spangmik. So we spoke to him and he gave us few details how to go to Hanle. We'll go that way now. We'll be going to Changla Pass. From there we'll go towards Karu and I'll explain to you on the go. I'm not sure of the route that much anyway. So. Everyone's checked out almost. I think we're the last ones to leave. It's quite bright and sunny. I did set up a night lapse early in the morning, so if it had come out great, you would have seen it in the starting of this video. If it's not, I'll try something else. Yeah, I did want to stick a few stickers as well. We did Kardungla top, so I thought I wanted to stick that. Let's see if that's it. We'll do that as well. We have the Spitified sticker here because we went to Spiti and came. Oh no, oh no. Yeah, this was a souvenir I got from Shok War Memorial. It's just here in the bag. I need to keep it elsewhere. That was Kardungla sticker, yeah, we finished Kardungla now. Been there, done that. We'll stick that also. Why wait? Just wipe off some dirt.
No space there.
Just overlap it. The guys in Leh, when they washed the motorcycle, they sprayed water so hard, the sticker peeled off a little. So we'll pack it off a little. And this is too big, man.
Take it somewhere else. Take it in the front, no mudguard.
Not the mudguard, I think I'll do it here. Yes! Hold this. Yeah, baby. That's the new stickers on the bike. Yeah, both of them look very similar in colors, but I just had few stickers, got it stuck. Kardungla done, Spiti done. Meghalaya का sticker नहीं मिला. I didn't get those stickers. I didn't find any from Meghalaya.
We are the last ones to reach, but we will not be the last ones to reach.
Always. Let's hit another mountain pass. This time it's Changla. You see that? It's quite hot today. It does get hot in the mornings. A lot of bikers all these camps. And yeah, when you're coming during the season, you need to make a booking and come. It's better if you have a booking. Oh, I forgot to address that noise that's coming in the front. Pangong Lake. Until next time. Yesterday, while exploring the place, we just went towards that next town. There's a place where you can take the bike close to the lake. So here you're not allowed to take the bike. They've dug up the place in between. So all vehicles will be parked and you need to walk. So you go towards the village. There's a place where you can take your motorcycle or your car as well, all the way down to the lake. So if anyone's willing to do that, please do. Yesterday we did it, but we went on a we went on one motorcycle, right? So we got Yatish's done. We are about to reach Tangse. And yeah, I forgot. No cameras allowed here, military area. So we'll talk once we reach Tangse and cross this area. So you just have to go tell your serial number when you came here to the checkpost and gave your document. They'll give you a serial number. Just go tell that number. They'll confirm your details and you're off. You're signed out. Next, a few kilometers from here, we'll divert towards Changla. That is the road which goes to Leh as well. This here is a major diversion. We came from the right, that is from Nubra Valley. We came like this. Now we're taking the left to go towards Leh. This is Changla Pass. Let's start climbing. Sotak. Any problem?
हाँ प्रॉब्लम नहीं चल रहा है, पिकअप नहीं पर
Oh, raise नहीं हो रहा.
ये तो रहा चल रहा नहीं
Okay. क्लच पकड़ के कुछ चलाया क्या? क्लच बर्नआउट हो गया क्या?
ट्रेन बराबर चल रहा है।
सेकेंड गियर में देखिए. नहीं तो एक बार थोड़ा नीचे जाके ऊपर आ जाए.
हाँ, ये वो भी नहीं होता,
वो भी किया नहीं हो रहा है.
थोड़ा वेट की वजह से नहीं चल रहा है। मैं नीचे उतर के चलाता चल जाता है।
चल जाता है. नहीं थोड़ा धीरे से चला हो जाएगा. यू वांट मी टू पुश? नहीं जा रहा ऊपर. चलो चलो चलो.
थोड़े में बंद कर दें।
हाँ. अब अकेले हो ग्रुप पे हो?
चलो, एक था, उसको गाड़ी में बैठा दिया।
ओके.
सिंगल गेट को बैठा दिया।
हाँ मुश्किल है, लोड है ना. आप उतर के ही चलाना पड़ेगा थोड़ा दूर. आपके दोस्त को भेजो वापस.
वो आएगा कैसे, गाड़ी नहीं है उसके पास।
गए
रिक्शा करके भेजा उसको।
थोड़ी देर ऑफ करके रुकिए फिर निकलना. थोड़ी देर गाड़ी को ऑफ कर दे,
हाँ, रुक जा।
वेट करके और फिर स्टार्ट करना.
थैंक यू।
So having some problems with this motorcycle. Not easy to push with my bike loaded as well as his. We reached height of 16,000 feet already, but boat went back a while now. Hey, the lake is frozen here. Yeah, let's go visit the frozen lake. See that? Let's stop, take a break, visit the frozen lake. Walking towards the frozen lake. Let's go experience that. He's not interested in certain things, so he wanted to go ahead. His bike is he's feeling a little loss of power on his motorcycle. I am too, but not that great. It's manageable, it's fine. So he said he'll move on forward, and I wanted to go walk on frozen lake, so I'm going. Come so far. I didn't know this is at Saltuck, I think, place. There is just a cafe here. There's nothing much. And here we are, going to walk on ice. See that? Yeah, let's lift it a little higher, and now we're walking on ice. It's breaking here when I walk. It's just cracking open. I just don't want to sink in. So that's, whoa, feels dangerous going that side. My shoe is getting wet and my socks are getting wet. Yeah, my socks is already wet. I don't know from where the water gets in. One rider is so daring enough to bring the bike right onto the ice, man. Our bike is loaded, so riding down that terrain is not easy. I'd like to do that as well. I think next time. We need to cover a lot of distance. This is fine. Yeah. Look at ice. Let's go. And we have some water crossing as well. We'll wait for the car to move and make sure not to get our feet wet. Okay, this is kind of a tricky one. Let him pass. Hitesh has made it across. हाँ कौन गिर गया? We made it halfway across without keeping a foot down. I think we'll go across this way. Come, car is stuck there. That was easy. Without putting a foot down, we made it across. Woo! I think this was a challenging water crossing. I just took my time, waited for a clear passage and did it. And yes, we're on the top. I see that post and I see Tacoma Beast as well. I mean, the car sticker they have, that is Mr. Manu and Dr. Anup. We didn't meet in Pangong.
ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ.
ಗೊತ್ತು, ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲಾಕ್ ಆದೆ. ಬಂದೆ. So that's Changla Pass. Let's get some pictures. So Changla Baba temple is here. We are at 17,688 feet. Dude, come back. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ವಾಯ್ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ನೋ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೇಕ್, ಫ್ರೋಝನ್ ಲೇಕ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಇಳಿದು ಹೋಗಿದೆ, ಅದೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಲೇ. So here we reached. It is updated to second highest pass, Changla. I didn't know that. Previously when I came it was the third highest pass. So I don't know which is the second one now. And our motorcycles are there. It is parked there. We're just clicking few pictures. We'll go have a cup of tea and Maggie as well. I am feeling a little hungry. We'll finish up with that and we'll move on. But for now, how many passes did we do this time? I've lost track of the number of passes we did this trip. See there, Changla Baba temple. We're not going in. There's this stupa as well, and this boat. Checkpost, medical center, and a cafe. Let's walk to the cafe and see. You remember that we tried to help Honda motorcycle which was stuck. Yeah, his partner is here. He is waiting for him at Changla Pass. So I tried to help, but even my vehicle was loaded.
This guy is very helpful. He is tried to help, but क्या बोलते हैं situation?
Yeah, situation was like that where I couldn't, what do you say, help properly. Where I could get him all the way here. So yeah, there are a lot of vehicles. I think some pickup truck, you can put the vehicle and come on top. He's safe. There's nothing wrong. It's still daylight, so he can do something. That's it, bro. Well, let's go.